Yeah, hi. My name is Sirish. I have a total of 11 years of experience. I have worked on various technologies like a C Sharp, ASP.NET MVC, Web API, Angular, SQL Server, and various Azure cloud services. My last company was Horizontal Integrations India Private Limited, where I have worked on a project named Sesame. In this project, I have used Angular as a front end and Web API as a backend and SQL Server as a database. And we have used various Azure web services as such as Azure App Service, Azure Active Directory, Azure Logic Apps, and Azure SQL Server in this application. In this application is for the client Newmark. Newmark is a multinational real estate company. This project is for the internal usage of the client, so the user can my roles and responsibilities in this application are where previously there was a legacy application for Sesame, so we have been modernizing it. I used to interact with the stakeholders and gather the requirements from them, and I used to develop them and as per their needs, and then I used to test them, and also involved in deploying the application in app services through CI/CD pipeline. Before working at Horizontal Integrations, I have worked at various companies like Wipro, Rain India Tax Service Private Limited, Suvin Software Solution, and Exilca Software Solution. Before starting my career, I did my MS from University of Bedfordshire. This is mostly about me. Yes, I already left the company. Actually, it is a contract to hire. The client has terminated the contract, so I was released. Yes, yes, okay. So in this application, they used to enter their business details like property details, rental details, and tax details, and client details, so on inside this application. So the employee can go get into this application and he can search the details as per his requirements, and he can use it in it. And he also can, it is Newmark employees only. Only the Newmark employees can access this application. Yes, yes. Uh, I am mostly involved in the development of this application. It is a modernization project from ASP.NET to latest technologies, which are Angular and Web API. I involved in developing the Web APIs and Angular views as well. We used to fetch the data from the database and through API, and we used to display the data as per the requirements that is specified by the client. Yes, 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 yes. I am a part of the development. Uh, in a global level, we can have a exception filter, or we can have a currently we have in the exception handler in .NET Core. We can use it to capture the exception errors. Hmm. Uh, Here, this first line add use I exception handler. It is written in program.cs file, and here in the API, we will be writing the throw, which is for the exception to capture the exception, and this exception will be passed to the I handler. Filters are like we have the authentication filter, authorization filter, and action filter, result filter, and exception filter. So for global usage of the function, we can write these filters. For it will we can use these filters once we have written them, declare them, and we can use it anywhere in the application as per our requirements. Uh, yeah, for I'm getting. Yeah, for let's say for authorization filter, we can declare the filter for we can declare a method for it, and we can write the business logic for it to check that user authentication. And for every API call, we will add the attribute called authorize on it. So every time it will check for the authorization is valid or not. Whenever we are the API request is coming, it will check the whether this API is authorized or not based through the this authorization filter, and only then it will process that API request. Yes, hello. Yes, I also worked on MVC. Mm, yes, we can do that. We can use temp data, and we can store the data in the temp data, and we can keep use keep keyword for the temp data, and we can use it. We can call that temp data anywhere in other controllers, and we can use that data. Yes, temp table. Come again. I didn't get it. Yes, we have view bags, view data, query strings. View bag and view data are used to pass data from the controller to the view, where view bag is type safe, but view data is not. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Yeah. So, in terms of the dev is dynamically changing. If the values are entering are dynamically changing, which you, I didn't get you. What do you mean by dev? Is an environment. Dev means the environment. Are you just okay? So, mm, so when we are entering the data, right? We will check whether it is valid data or not. Okay, in that case, what we have to do is we have to capture that dev that is coming from the library, and we can assign it to the variable, and we can write a business logic as per our requirement to how to change that dev, the values inside it. Multiple document ready. Mm, multiple documents. Yeah, we can. We can have. We create multiple uh, uh, partial views, and we can for each partial view we will have a single this document read, and then we can all add this all partial views into a single view, call them into a single view. It is just a one way of doing it. That's all. We can also call this multiple the document reads in single view as well. We can just add them. Method changing. Yeah. Yes. We can call. We can run one method after another method without if one method is completing. We can trigger another method.